In this short tutorial, you learn how to turn on two-factor authentication on the Temu app. It's super quick and easy. So let's get started. First of all, open the Temu app on your mobile device. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. From the settings menu, select account security. Then tap on two-factor authentication. Now you will see two options. Choose Authenticator app and tap on it. Then copy the Authenticator setup link provided and then open your Authenticator app like Google Authenticator. In the Authenticator app, paste the copied link or scan the QR code to add the Temu account. Then app will generate a 6-digit code. Now copy the code and go back the Temu app. Now enter the code and tap continue. And that's it. You have successfully turned on two-factor authentication on the Temu app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.